A drill stand with vacuum base is preferable to a hand drill when the location and orientation of the hole must be controlled accurately. With an impressive 65 kPa vacuum, this drill stand provides a strong, secure hold on smooth, rough surfaces. The vacuum pump and reservoir create a powerful vacuum to keep your drill in place, allowing for faster and more accurate drilling. The drill stand with vacuum lets you do any job quickly and easily. Our water system will cool the drill bit to keep it working at its best. Plus, we offer 2 options for water supply, so you'll always be prepared. It's simple and easy to use, allowing you to create perfect holes quickly and safely. Moreover, its vacuum suction will keep your materials in place during drilling. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient drilling experience with Aardwolf's Drill Stand with vacuum base.